Remove the brick fixing screw. Loosen the oil pipe fixing buckle. Remove cable tie. Remove hand and cap. Loosen handlebar retaining ring screw and remove. Loosen grip screw. Remove grip. Loosen thumb dial screw. Remove thumb throttle. Loosen brake handle screw. Remove the brake handle. Disconnect the brake disconnection wire. Remove the front brake. Remove new brake lever. Install new brake lever. Thumb throttle. Whip. Grip fixing ring. End cap. Adjust to the right angle, then tighten all the screws. Remove the old brake adapter. Pay attention to the length of the screws. Pay attention to the arrow pointing. New brake spacers are needed. Assemble the brake adapter with screws and spacers. Install client. Tighten screws. Fix harness buckle. Take out the 3 parts shown in the video. Put them into the tubing in sequence. Remove the oil pipe and screw. Remove the brake handle and screw. Insert the oil pipe. Tighten the set screw. Put on the protective cover. Connect the data cable according to the arrow. Remove the rear brake oil pipe screw. Install the screw to prevent brake fluid leakage. Remove the oil pipe head. Put the oil pipe plug into. Remove the screw and protective cover. Use the same procedure to remove the brake lever. Disconnect the cable. Install new brake levers, grips, grip retaining rings, end cap. Adjust the angle and tighten all screws. Remove battery. Remove the controller cover. Turn the car upside down for easy installation. Remove bezel screw. Remove the baffle. Slowly pull out the tubing. Cut the cable tie. Remove the rear brake set screw. Remove the rear brake. Install the old brake adapter with the new brake. Pay attention to the direction of the arrow when installing. Tighten the set screw. Secure the oil pipe with cable ties. Pass the oil pipe to the original path. Remove the battery lock for easy installation. Put the oil pipe through the reserve hole. Put the battery lock back. Install the bezel. Tighten the screws. Remove the brake handle screw. Install the 3 parts in sequence. Insert the oil pipe and tighten. Press the arrow to connect the data line. The installation is complete.